let's start modeling a pheasant. I'm sure you'll create a piece of art. Prepare 8 colors of clay: brown, light brown, orange, blue, white, red, yellow, and black. Let's start with a body. Take a piece of light brown clay and roll one big ball. Roll it into a cone with your hands. Awesome job! The body is done. Let's make some spots. Take a piece of brown clay and roll 9 little balls. Congratulations! The spots are done. Let's make a neck. Take a piece of white clay and roll 1 mid-sized ball. Then make a deepening with your finger. Super! Come on! The neck is done. It's time to make a head. Take a piece of blue clay and roll 1 mid-sized ball. Then roll it into a sausage shape with your hands. You've done it! The head is done. Now make an eye base. Take a piece of red clay and roll 1 little ball. And flatten it with your finger. You've done it! The eye base is done. Now make a beak. Take a piece of yellow clay and roll 2 little balls. Then roll them into cones with your fingers. Awesome job! The beak is done. Let's make some eyes. Take a piece of white clay and roll 2 little balls. Make deepening with a pencil. Hooray! The eyes are done. It's time to model some pupils. Take a piece of black clay and roll 2 tiny balls. Hooray! The pupils are done. Model some wings. Take a piece of brown clay and roll 2 mid-sized balls. Then flatten them with your hand. Hooray! The wings are done. Next, make some feathers. Take a piece of orange clay and roll 6 little balls. Then roll them into sausage shapes with your fingers. And flatten them with your finger. Congratulations! The feathers are done. Let's model a tail. Take a piece of brown clay and roll 1 mid-sized ball. Then roll it into a cylinder with your hand. And press it with your finger. Awesome job! The tail is done. It's time to make some tail feathers. Take a piece of orange clay and roll 3 mid-sized balls. Roll them into carrot shapes with your hand. Hooray! The tail feathers are done. Congratulations! Now your pheasant is fully done.
Cool. Can you make me a friend of your choice?